Whether you're scrolling through social media or using a smartphone or tablet, keeping up with today's technology can sometimes be a little bit intimidating for seniors ages 55 and older. The City of Fayetteville's Senior Literacy Program can help work through these challenges with hands-on instruction and one-on-one guidance.
Tell your job. Right.
With the Senior Literacy Program, seniors are learning skills to help them navigate social media and use smart devices to stay connected in today's digital world.
Swipe it away, or you can just...
They're also learning the commonly used Gen X terminology and emojis to communicate with friends and family through text.
Okay, all right, let's do my granddaughter.
One of the most unique aspects of the program is who is leading the class. The instructors are members of the Fayetteville-Cumberland Youth Council, a group of leaders dedicated to serving the community. As they help seniors become more comfortable with technology, these students are also building leadership and communication skills while forming connections that bridge generations.
When it comes to older people, they still have a lot to bring, and sometimes when it comes to social media, it really is just that gateway to being open to inspiration and finding the things that they like in life. So my goal out of it is to help people find inspiration in what they're doing and be connected to more what the youth does, so they can kind of bridge that gateway and help off of each other.
And for seniors, the takeaway is about much more than learning how to use a phone or tablet. They gain confidence, a sense of independence, and new ways to connect to the people and things that matter most.
The most that I like is having these wonderful young people here to provide information and help and guidance with social media. So many of us as seniors sometimes hesitate, but I encourage anyone. This is like a wealth treasure of knowledge for us to stay on top of our game as well. And to have these wonderful young people here to help us, to guide us, to lead us, really is a treasure. It's a blessing.
It's an opportunity to learn from one another, build relationships, and bring generations together. Because when people share their knowledge and experiences, everyone benefits. The Senior Literacy Program has a variety of classes each week. From learning about social media and using your smartphone or tablet, you can also learn how to build a digital calendar, and most importantly, learn how to protect your personal information and your passwords. Are you ready to get started? Contact the Bill Crisp Senior Center or Senior Center East to find out what classes are happening near you and how to register. We'll see you next time.